The rumor of the third generation's iPhone SE have been circulating since early 2021. Apple is rumored to launch a low-cost versions of the iPhone in early 2022. Apple first released the iPhone SE in March 2016. The first generation's iPhone SE at that time was labeled as an affordable option for those who cannot afford to buy iPhone 5s, which was released 3 years earlier. The company is also rumored to launch the third generation's iPhone SE as an affordable 5G iPhone in the entry-level class. This rumor is in line with the predictions of TF International Securities analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, who said that the iPhone SE3 may be available in the second half of 2021 or early 2022. However, Apple seems to be focused on launching the iPhone 13 series, which will be held in the second half of 2021. Thus, it is possible that the third generation's iPhone SE will be launched in early 2022. According to DigiTimes, some sources state that Apple has created a new line of business called chip probing specialist. Chip probing itself can be interpreted as the quality test process. The DigiTimes report said that the process will be carried out by Taiwan semiconductor manufacturing company subsidiary Xintech. This subsidiary of TSMC was once responsible for the quality testing process to supplying components for the first generation's iPhone SE and second generation's iPhone SE. Leak specs. The specs of this iPhone SE was leaked in January by a Japanese blog, Takara. The blog said that this iPhone to have a 5.5-inch or 6.1-inch screen. In addition, the third generation's iPhone SE is also said to be powered by the A14 Bionic chipset, just like the iPhone 12 line. At that time, Microtech predicted that the iPhone SE3 will be released in April 2021. Unfortunately, this prediction was wrong as the smartphone hasn't been released to the market to date. Another rumor from the CEO of the Display Search Research Institute, Russ Young, claims that the iPhone SE3 will support 5G sub-6 GHz network connectivity and carry an LCD panel in 2022.